basically all we've done is three variables. One is the flat fee, the other is the 3 minutes, and the other is the free test, right? So we've got flat fee of 1,000, 3 minutes of 75, and then free test of 250. So we want to find out the total they've taken. So total cost of text, I don't know, I can just say of minutes and assign that to 0 for now. Yeah, you can if you want. Later, we're going to get to that anyway. Of tests at 0 as well. You can take the number of minutes they have used and the number of tests they have used as an input, but the total cost you are calculating. Yeah. So I want to take from the user the minutes, and I want to say input yeah, exactly. But this input normally takes the input as strings, right? And we'll be using it to do some calculations. So I convert to integer. Sorry? I put. Then I want to echo it back to him. Sorry? Yes. Perfect. So I want to do some working with it, right? So I just really want to say that if the minutes they have used is greater than the 3 minutes, then I do a calculation on the total minutes. Because they allow certain 3 minutes, right? So the total minutes, of course, would be the minutes they've used minus the 3 minutes. And it says each after the 3 minutes, if they go over, each minute is going to cost them 12p per minute. Yeah. So just multiply by 12. I give you a bit of breathing space to catch up, make sure there are no typos. There are no typos at the moment. I'm going to type 1,500. Allow, yeah, 1,500. I've got that. Let me see. Where does the error comes from? I've not entered anything. Don't tell me I need to change this one too. What was this saying?
So you're not asking me to print anything.
I know, I'm doing something here just for a test. Yeah, why did it behave like that before then? Okay. All right, let me know when you are there. I'm just did some playing around just to test. I'll pause the. So pretty much we're going to do the same for the test. So I just say tests because, and we want to do the typecast because we expect it to be an integer, and then we input, and then we say how many tests have you used? In real life, I don't think you should ask people. It's like nobody will give you the real answer, isn't it? Said if the test is greater than the free test, then you want to print out total cost of test is equal to test minus free test times 7, because afterwards, as we just checked, it costs that much. We've not printed any of them. Sorry? Great, thank you. We've not printed any of these yet.
No. We print up there like you were on your phone for how many minutes?
Oh, okay, yeah.
Just to have the same.
Good, yeah, good. Then I want to calculate the total bill. That will be equal to the total cost of minutes plus total cost of test. And remember, they are paying a flat fee, right?
Yeah.
So we add the flat fee to it.
So they pay the flat fee.
Yeah. They'll still pay the flat fee anyway. Because every month they're going to pay the 1,000. Yeah. Exactly. Then we print. The total cost of your phone bill is let's see if we give me any errors. Yep. Looks like it worked. So that's my version. I'll leave you for you to complete your version and resume the recording afterwards. Actually, I'll stop. Let me pause the recording. Let me stop the recording.